What's going on, guys? This is Josh with Biggs Harley-Davidson and North County Indian right here in San Marcos, California. This is Billy, and today's bike of the day is a 2016 Lowrider S, Dyna Lowrider S in color Vivid Black, 110 cubic inch 6-speed transmission with Vance & Hines short shocks and a heavy breather air filter, dual disc front brakes, LED lights. This model has 9,000 miles on her, and she is ready to roll. How much more can I say? It's the Lowrider S, one of the most popular bikes Harley ever created. We are rolling here. Billy, how many days are we open?
We're open 6 days a week. And you know what? If you want to come take it for a test ride, we do test rides 6 days a week, baby! So get down here. Give us a call, 760-481-7300. Ask for Josh, ask for Billy, ask for Mark, ask for Cody. Any one of us can help you out. If I miss someone, they can help you out too. We're here for you guys. Hope to hear from you soon.